Greetings my friends and welcome back to another NTrade video. Today we are going back into the market, and you already know there was a few people in the last couple of days that reached out to me asking the same question that I have already answered multiple times. And the question is, how do you start trading? Alright, so my advice is, of course, if you are a complete beginner, get in with the tools. And today we're going to go exactly with that. We're going to use EVO Trade algorithm. So let's jump into the video and let's see if we can make any money. But of course, in my opinion, this can be one of the best tools that you can use as a complete beginner trader. So let's go. All right, so here you have the tool. You have 5 different markets: real market, OTC, crypto, stocks, commodities. You don't need crypto, stocks, and commodities. If you are a beginner, stick with real market and OTC market. These are the markets that are gonna have more or less stable situation. You're putting yourself under more pressure. In the other markets, more volatility, more risk. Just stay away for now. OTC and real market will be more than enough. So we already have our asset here. Euro, Gregory, and pound looks pretty nice. So we're gonna select OTC market. As we are trading on OTC market, we press Euro, Gregory, and pound. We select the time frame that we want. We have 8 from 1 minute to 1 day. So whatever is your style, I would recommend between 5 minutes and 1 minute, one of these. So we're gonna go with 1 minute right here, and already the tool has adjusted all of these settings and put them into the program that will parse the chart right here. We'll press start analysis, and now start analyzing, and you're going to get a position within a few next seconds. And there you go, we have a sell position right here. So we're gonna place 2,000. I'm gonna sit for a little bit. The signal is valid for around 20 seconds. So in case you are entering a trade a little bit lower and the price goes higher in the next 20 seconds, you actually can place a little bit more trades, a few more trades, just to offset the potential loss on the bottom ones. Always space out your trades, and again, going back to money management, 1 to 5% of your balance. For me, $1,000 is 135%, so this is barely 5% for me placed on one trade, and this is what you should be doing as well when you are trading by yourself. Even if you're trading with a tool, it's still 1 to 5%, no more than that. That is more than enough for you to start gaining sustainable profit every single day if you are just build gradually. And this is gonna keep you protected. You're not gonna lose crazy amount of money on one trade. That is extremely important. And here we are closing in. We do get that one, so we get 3, we'll lose 1. It was a little bit unfortunate. We could have gotten all of these, but there you have it. This is OTC market. Now let's go and hit real market. Let's select an asset. Euro Swiss franc, very strong bullish impulse here. So let's see if we got it. Yes, we got it. Euro Swiss franc right here. We select 1 minute. You can see this process can be done really quickly. We already have $3,000 of profit secured with our previous trade, and there you go. We get a sell position again. So we're gonna place 2K. As it looks like we actually have a pretty strong upwards move, but MACD crosses below the signal line, confirming bearish momentum. For some reason, EVO Trade thinks we should be taking a sell position. Who am I to challenge that? We are going to take a sell position and follow the signal completely, even though I think the move is not yet fully exhausted. You can see that the candle still reaches higher, goes higher. So we are looking for a little bit of more of momentum. The only way I see us winning here is if we actually manage to time the volatility spike here to the downside. Just a couple of trades would be fine. This is already a pretty close trade, so let's see if it's playing with us, it's toying with us. But the tool is very extremely precise. We didn't get those, but we got 2 returns, and there you go. The profit comes in as well, 82,000. So you can see the trading session right here. This was really close. This is obviously a pretty risky, but we still managed to get the money. There you have it, guys. Just like that, went into the market, got over 4K with just 2 trades. Still didn't risk more than 5% of my balance. This is what you as well should be doing, and this is how you can trade. It's really simple. Pick stable charts. Again, not every single trade is going to be close, and not every single trade is going to have a massive lead. This trading tool is really going to help you profit consistently, and this is exactly what you need when you're starting trading. It is completely fine to start slowly incorporating things. You can't have everything at the same time, especially when you begin trading. So start incorporating money management first. Figure that out. This is the most important thing and the number one cause of people losing their money in the market. If you get money management under control, you use this tool, you already will start seeing consistent profit. And after that, you just go ahead and you add more things. You start trading by yourself, start focusing on learning yourself the most basic things about trading, like support and resistance levels. And then you just keep mashing things together until you are a fully formed trader and will be able to trade every single day consistently and bring in thousands of dollars to their account. So make sure to check out my trading group. You can find the link in the description below. Send me a message at NTrade_pro. Get in trading sessions from Monday to Sunday. We have trading tutorials, trading robots. Once again, I just talked about it. So we got everything for you. Check it out. I appreciate you, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.